Oh, teeny weeny fishes. Yeah.
It's beautiful right now, and it's 6:30. There's people up here, but it's so pretty. So the freeway is right up there. Woo. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have a fun photo shoot today. It's at a springs, which isn't a hot spring, but it's like a waterfall that goes into a really cute pond. I stopped by at it on the way back home from Sacramento. So Indian Springs is also a campground, and it is outside of Truckee, California. So I have a bucket over here that of swimsuits that I'm gonna try on. I leave in an hour, and I don't even know what I'm gonna freaking wear. My issue is the contemplation. I am contemplating. I love to make custom swimsuits for my photo shoots. The issue is when I do that, I can't market the swimwear. I can't post it because I don't sell the item. As soon as I post something that I'm wearing, people want to buy it off my body. I mean, you guys want to, but like actual customers, like I don't own any more of it. I made it for myself. So I've stopped trying to do that. I've stopped trying to just make cute custom pieces that I photo shooted. I've really tried, if I'm gonna do a photo shoot, I'm gonna do items that I sell in store because it's the only way to market my business. And then I can blast the pictures everywhere. Although I do regular photo shoots for fans and stuff. So this particular shoot, we are going to take advantage of it. I'm going to do 2 bikinis and 1 piece of lingerie, and that is what I'm trying to figure out right now. And I've got 1 hour, and I got to touch up my makeup, and then I think I'm going to do a little bit of like a self tanner just so I can get a little bit of my tan. It's fine, but it's not even. Problem when I get in the water, it usually washes off. So we have to do all of our photos first and then the water photos last. But I'm gonna take you on my journey. Right, I'm gonna turn my air conditioning down for you guys and my music down. We are driving to a location right now of the Indian Springs. I was gonna say the hot springs. It's not a hot spring. It's gonna be probably a little chilly. It is all mountain water runoff. Could not decide on a swimming suit for the life of me. And then I couldn't decide on a lingerie piece. So I brought a couple to choose from because I just couldn't make up my mind. So it'll be interesting to see what I go with. I did bring this like emerald green piece because it's kind of a lake with trees around it and rocks. I thought emerald green would really blend in well with it. It is a campground, so there could be families there, and I don't want to ruin anyone's dinner. Our location. So there's the waterfall. Ooh, it's pretty though. As I roll my ankle on this fucking piece of wood. There's kids. Ah.
What's that, 42?
Matt's changing and I'm gonna get into my second outfit. Okay. So do you want me to go up there?
No, no.
Oh. Rock area?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Almost to this little like bush thing.
Let's see. I'm gonna put this here.
Oh yeah, well, can you win fishes? Yeah. Yes. All of them.
So we will snap it. You got me wet.
That's what she said.
Ah! Just kidding. What do you see? It's a pretty rock. Oh. Love it. Alright, I'm back on my phone because my camera battery died, but my phone storage space is also getting really low. So, it was an amazing shoot. I did film some of the BTS behind the scenes for you all. I'm leaving now, so it's like a really rural road. Nobody else is on it, so I'm safe. And this is the same road, you guys. 2 days ago, I drove to Sacramento and I stopped by the location here just to make sure, like, water levels and lighting at 6:30. So stopped by. I got back on the freeway, going back the same way I came, you guys. 2 hours. I think it was actually only like an hour and a half, but when I realized it, the GPS said 2 hours back home. I was, you guys, so dumb. West. So when you come right out of the little spot, it's so easy to get lost there and literally go back on the freeway. I'm so turned around, maybe that's why. So we're going east on 80, not west back. I don't want to go back to California. I want to go home. So it was one of the stupidest things I've probably ever done. But luckily I wasn't in a hurry to get anywhere. I had my little baby with me. What sucked though is that the freeway ended up being closed for a head-on collision. So maybe it was a sign. I don't know. Maybe it was a sign. So we got stuck going Grass Valley instead of Highway 80. And when we went Grass Valley, we got stuck in construction for like over 30 minutes. And Grass Valley is a longer route to get home. So we decided to stay the night in Grass. So yeah, it was like this time right now, 8 o'clock, and I was upset. We had stayed in traffic, and so we decided to stay in Grass Valley for the night, Monday night, and today's Wednesday. So I've driven out here twice in a week, and tomorrow I have to drive back to Sac to go get my I tell you about the miles I'm putting on my car? And not only that, but gas right now is like $18 a gallon. But whatever, we're having fun, right? We're having so much fun. So this shoot is fucking off the hook. Beautiful location. I found it. It makes me so happy. The lighting and everything. I really just wish I had my shit together for the suits. Not sure where my ending went, but here are the final edited pictures, and the rest can be seen on my premium page, of course. Thank you.